Today, I am going to demonstrate how to make icons in PowerPoint using shapes. You may want to have a color palette that suits your icons. Then, use a dropper in order to apply them later to your icons. First is we're going to make a base, but you may or may not include a base for your icon. So, go to Insert, Draw a Circle, and to ensure a perfect circle, its width and length should be equal. Change color fill and set to with no outline. Then, insert a rounded rectangle and adjust the corners by dragging this yellow thing and change fill color and with no outline again. And to duplicate shape, press Ctrl D and insert a shape, a rectangle, place it on top and select both the shapes. Then go to Merge Shapes, then click Intersect. Change the color fill of the new shape and set to with no outline. Insert rounded rectangle and adjust corners and make them almost oval in shape. Resize, then change fill with no outline and press Ctrl D to duplicate. You now have the shape of a calendar, and now you will add some details. Insert rectangle, resize, change fill and without outline. Duplicate and position it like a grid. Then for groupings, select shapes not including the base. Ctrl G to group, then align center and middle. When aligned, group the icon together with the base. Insert trapezoid, adjust the angle, change fill and with no outline. Insert another trapezoid, then change the fill color and with no outline again. Adjust the angle again in an almost rectangular shape. Duplicate the previous shape, then insert circle, overlap it with the trapezoid, resize, then duplicate and place on the other side. And when satisfied with the positioning of the shapes, select them. Go to Merge Shape and select Fragments. Then place it together with the other shapes. Delete unnecessary fragments because all we need is the shape in between. For the tip, insert a shape, select Manual Input in the Flowchart section and change Fill. When done, select Shapes, then Group. Align center and middle and group it together with the base. Making the cover of the notebook, just insert rounded rectangle and adjust corners, then change Fill. Then, to make little bookmarks, insert rounded rectangles, adjust corners again, rounder this time, and position it at the side and send to back. Duplicate by pressing Ctrl D, then change fill color of each bookmark, then position them and then send to back also. You can add a detail on the cover by adding a rectangle on the cover page. Then group, align center and middle again, and group it together with the base. Insert a rounded rectangle, adjust corners, then change fill. Duplicate this, resize to make it longer but shorter and place it on top. We will add another rounded rectangle and adjust the corners rounder than previous ones. Place a rectangle on top, enough to cover the bottom corners, and select both shapes. Then go to Merge Shapes and select Intersect. Insert Frame, adjust the width of the frame, and change the color fill. Then, to make a strap, insert a rectangle and adjust the width, which should be smaller than the space within the frame, and change color the same as this. It should not overlap over the bottom part of the frame. Insert the flowchart delay for the extension of the strip, and resize, then change fill color. Lastly, add a rectangle with the same width and color as the frame. For the handle, insert black arc, resize to look like a handle, then change fill color. Group, align center and middle again, and group it together with the base. Insert rounded rectangle, adjust corners, and change color. Add another rectangle and place it at the middle and change color darker than this. Insert a flowchart delay, rotate, and then resize. Insert another rectangle with the same width, select both shapes, go to merge shapes and select union. Change the color of the new shape, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate, and then change the fill color to a darker shade. Then insert flowchart delay again, rotate, resize, with the same width as the pages, and set its color to a darker shade, then duplicate. For details of the book, insert rectangle and set a thick outline and without no fill, and add lines for more details. When satisfied with the outcome, select the shapes, then group, align center and middle, and group it together with the base.